Okay, today we are going to make pizza because we don't have pizza in Kenya. So I'm making for my husband pizza. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
So just a quick pizza, as we call it.
No pizza is allowed in Kenya.
No pizza is allowed. So I just got some 2 wraps, which I'll just...
How is the leaning tower called in how do Kenyans call leaning tower? Leaning tower in pizza. Since pizza is pizza, and leaning tower is
pizza. Yeah, so I've chopped the onions. We have I'm using bacons, 2 eggs and cheese. So quick one. This is a quick lunch. If you don't have pizza around.
Oh, if you don't have pizza, you can create. You can
make your own. We're just using 2 eggs.
Oh, with me.
Yeah, just be with me. So I'll just break them here. I've broken them into that. Then just a little salt to give it taste. Then we put our chopped onions on top. Like I said, it's a 5 minutes meal. So we're gonna have a quick meal within 5 minutes. After that, you cut bacons. You can use anything, any meat you prefer. Not really because we only had bacons in the house.
But you cannot use any meat.
Okay, so
you cannot put. Oh, okay.
The meat you can put
chicken,
on
but on pizza.
On pizza.
On pizza, everything is allowed. Chicken is allowed.
Yeah,
you can put some ugali.
Some ugali if you want. Okay, then we top it up with some cheese. Just my habit comes from where cheese is everything. So don't put a lot, but just enough to give it taste, and you know that make it cook well. I think that's enough, right? What do you think?
I don't know, I have never made pizza before.
What do you think? I guess
I've never tried one before.
I guess that's enough. Okay. Then I top it up with oregano.
That's for your information, this is oregano, it's not oregano, so...
Oh, oregano!
Yeah, because it's written oregano, that's how you read it in Kenya, it's oregano.
And after that, we put our timer. Oh my God.
How many minutes and what?
Time is like...
What is the temperature?
The temperature 200. But it should be 180 actually. Then it's for around, like I said, 15 minutes, it should be done. Thank you. Now our pizza, it's ready for... Pizza is ready. Wow. Just come have a look at it, baby.
Just turn it a little bit for people to see pizza.
It's pizza. Kenyan pizza. Let's go. That's how it is.
It doesn't look very nice because it's on this baking paper. But it's round. Can you confirm it's round?
It is round. It is round. Our air fry is a bit small, so we're gonna cut it here so that you can have a try, a taste. Of the Kenyan
Okay, let's continue when you're done with cutting.
I'm done. It's already cut.
To try one. I want to try one for all the pizza lovers.
Pizza lovers. I didn't cut it well. Okay, see how it is. See how it is. If you need a quick meal.
Oh, what about you didn't put ketchup or some spicy sauce, maybe better.
Okay.
Yeah, spicy.
Just a little.
That's ketchup. Oh.
Yeah, I've just put on mine. You can put ketchup or but that's sweet. It's finished anyway.
Okay, tell us how it tastes. It tastes. I think people are tired of your pizza.
Very yummy. With this. But it's finished. That's a 15 minutes pizza, it's done. I think it's less than 15 minutes.
It's not pizza.
If you need a quick meal, follow our channel for more. It's Dory. Thank you.